Yes, another beautiful day, another beautiful month, another beautiful era, another beautiful time. Yeah. Yeah, we're there in the farm as usual, same way. You know, nothing no change. If you're not a farm, you must be a farm fool. That's what them said, though. Yeah. We're there in the early starting farming. We have video of pepper already, though. Yeah, we take up some pepper video. I think, wow, mango come back in. That no man. Yeah. So just a great update for ourselves. Mm-hmm. Although we do the farming, we also do product making. Alright, so we also made castor oil when we are not farming. We make castor oil and we also make we don't make this, but it's a production that I recommend for soap in Jamaica. Yeah, this is nice to use on your face. Alright. Big up natural culture for making this amazing soap for Jamaicans to bathe. Yeah, I made a castor oil that good for whole heap of purpose, have whole heap of purpose. It good for any little lump or tumor in the body. It good for massage the mind follicles as well. It good for lubricate, the clitoris, of the female. So it have a lot of purpose, good for hair growth, you know. Yeah. People drink it, but I don't recommend that. Yeah, man. So yeah, we're there in the farm. Nah, farm food, but a farm fruits. Yeah.